It is recommended that one fire extinguisher be available for every 6,000 square feet in a building. Write and solve an equation to determine X, our variable, the number of fire extinguishers needed for a building that has 135,000 square feet. So let's draw our diagram. So this is our building that is 135,000 square feet. And the problem tells us that for every 6,000 square feet, we have one fire extinguisher. One fire extinguisher. So for every 6,000 square feet, we have one fire extinguisher. So we need to see how many 6,000 square feet are there inside of this. So that will tell us how many fire extinguishers we need, because there is one for every 6,000. So let's move on to writing our equation. So we need X. X is a variable that they gave us, which is the number of fire extinguishers needed. So X equals. So we need to divide, because this is our big number of this is our big number of the building. How many 6,000 square feet are in that? In order to find that out, we need to divide. So 135,000 divided by 6,000. So let's go off to the side and divide. First number, where does that go? Inside of the house. And where does our 6,000 go? On the doorstep. So does 6,000 go into 1? No. 6,000 go into 3? 13? No. Does 6,000 go into 135? No. Does 6,000 go into 1,350? No. Does 6,000 go into 13,500? Yes, it does. So, how do we know how many times it goes into this? 6,000 times 2 is 12,000. So, if we do 6,000 times 3, that'll be 18,000. That's too much. So we only need 2. 2 times 6,000 is going to give us 12,000. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So, bring down our last 0, 0. Does 6,000 go into 15,000? Yes, 2 times again, because 6,000 times 3 is 18,000, and that's too much. We only need 2. So 2 times 6,000 is going to give us 12,000. Subtract, and we are left with 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then we need to do one more. Put our decimal point there. Add our 0. So does 6,000 go into 30,000? Yes. 6,000 times 5 will give us 30,000. So 5 times 6,000, that is 30,000. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So that means our answer is 22.5. So X equals 22.5, which means that is the number of fire extinguishers. But you can't have half a fire extinguisher. So what do you need to do? You need to round up, because you need that other fire extinguisher for that 6,000 square feet. So X is 22.5, but we need more we need that last fire extinguisher, because we can't have half. So we need 23 fire extinguishers.